Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Sargent. This is their part number 11-0138 T-Zone installation wrench. This wrench is used on the 11-line lock sets, and there is a link below this video to a cut sheet and installation instructions for you to review. This wrench is going to be pretty useful when installing an 11-line lock. An 11-line lock is a bit of a throwback to the era when installing grade 1 lever or knob locks was not as simple as 2 screws. A lot of manufacturers, Sargent included, has a series of locks that are incredibly simple to install. The 11-line is not so as simple to install, and as a result, this wrench is really handy. The link to the installation instructions shows you where the 11-line wrench is used, especially during the step 7 for sleeve installation, and then, which would of course be the yoke portion of this. This is nothing other than a spanner wrench that will allow you to, of course, manipulate your roses and get them tight to the point, or your rose collars, your rosette, get everything tightened down from the outside. So this double-ended wrench is used for that purpose. If you're purchasing this, and you have 11-line locks, I would encourage you to hang on to it. You know, like most things in life, they'll discontinue this wrench and you'll have a darn time finding one. So be sure to hang on to it. Don't throw it away. I've not thrown any of these away. I don't install a lot of 11-line locks. But I have sure thrown away a lot of installation tools that I wish that I hadn't. Nothing other than a piece of zinc-plated steel. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Sargent products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Sargent? This is their part number 11-0138 installation wrench for their 11-line lock, or any other Sargent product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.